When you look at the word multiple, it means you take any number and you multiply it by 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or whatever. The answer of those multiplications are the multiples of the number that you've started with. When you take a look at the word factor, though, you're going smaller. So you take any numbers that can be multiplied to give you this specific number. Those will be the factors of any number. Now, if you take any number, let's say 20. If you take 20 and you multiply it by 1 or by 2 or by 3, you get the multiples. And if you take 4 and 5, or for instance 10 and 2, you'll also get 20 if you multiply them. So 20 itself is its own smallest multiple and its own biggest factor. Just an interesting fact to consider. Every number is its own smallest multiple and its own biggest factor. However, once you start working with multiples of more than one number, and in this case they're giving us 3 numbers, they want you to find the lowest common multiple. So you need to find all the multiples of 4, of 6 and of 15, and then look for the number that is the smallest of the lot. And then you also need to find all the factors of 4 and 6 and 15, and then see which of those factors is the highest common factor. But there is a much easier way, and that would be to use prime factors. So you need to find the prime factors of 4, you need to find the prime factors of 6, and you need to find the prime factors of 15, and then apply the rules for the LCM and the HCF on those prime factors. And in this case, it might not be necessary to do it that way because the numbers are small enough. But what if they gave you, for instance, 44, 56, and 150? Then to find the common factors and the common multiples by writing them all out will be quite an exercise. Then you need a technique which is better than writing it all out and looking for the common multiples and the common factors. And this question wants you to apply that same technique. That's what you need to do in this case, is you need to apply the technique of using prime factors to find the LCM and the HCF of those 3 numbers.